My name's John Mitchell. I've had 2 knee replacements. I had the left one done about 3 months ago. I've had the right one done almost 5 months ago. I have no pain. I walk without a cane, no crutches. I built a deck last week on the back of my house. I work on my lawnmowers.
How
I have no problems.
How quickly, in terms of the last in either knee replacement, how quickly were you off a cane? Do you remember?
I was off of the cane. Let's see. Probably by the end of February. I was off of the cane, but they just recommended if I went out in the yard, which is understandable, to take it with me just because of the uneven terrain.
Yeah.
But I was walking without much pain.
Yeah.
It took a little bit to get the movement back, but the movement came pretty quick.
Yeah.
So I'm glad I stayed at Penn Highlands to have both of them done.
Yeah, so he's 5 months out from his right one done. Dr. Zelliger did it. I did his left side. Dr. Varacallo, I did his left side 3 months ago. So we're talking about, and he has a construction job that otherwise, in terms of the COVID situation, he would have been going back to at this point. So he's had both knees done in a staged procedure, has gone through the full recovery, and he's done all that in about 5 months. So you're happy with everything?
Yeah, I'm real happy with the way everything turned out with both of them.
Okay, excellent. Thanks.